Good morning, my dear students. In my yesterday video, we have discussed about the mail merge. In the mail merge, I told you how you can send one document to the many addresses, and you need not to write down the same content again and again. By using the mail merge, you can use the same content with the different addresses. Today we are moving further. In the mail merge, I am just using the next topic, that is the printing labels. What is the printing labels? When you, when you have print your letters and after that you want to post them, and you want to write, and then you have to write down the addresses on each envelope again and again, and this is really a time consuming task. The mail merge feature then that can help you in printing the multiple address labels on a single sheet. By using these printing labels, you can print the many addresses. You can print all the addresses on an envelope, and then you can cut them and paste on each and every envelope. So how you can use this printing labels? For using this printing labels, we will follow the same steps as we have used in the mail merge. Firstly, you have to click on this. First of all, you have to click on this mailing. Then go on the start mail merge, and same steps you will click on this button, that is step by step mail merge wizard. As you will click on this step-by-step mail merge wizard, you can see the mail merge pane at the right of your screen. Here. Now here you will not click on letters because we have already done this, how we can type the letters using the mail merge features. Now we want to print the labels as addresses on each and every envelope by using this mail merge feature. So we will click here on labels. As you will click on this labels, at the bottom of this pane you can see step 1 of the 6, that is next starting document. Now you will click on this starting document. As you will click on this starting document, then at the upper side you can see select starting document. How do you want to set up your mailing labels? आप मेलिंग लेबल्स मतलब कि जो भी आपने लेटर्स मेल करने हैं उसका लेबल्स, उसके एड्रेसेस आप कहाँ से लेंगे? use the current document. If you have saved all the document in this, then you will use the current document. Change the document layout. या start from existing document. We have already built a document. In my previous video you have seen I have given the name of that in which I have made the data source, and I have given the name, it's formatting. So we will use here start from existing document. I am clicking on this. You will also click on this button. You can also select from the start from existing document, or you can also use change document layout. So we will learn from this that you have to click on this change document layout. As you will click on this change document layout, then you can see that option there is, that is the label option. You have to click on this label option. As you will click on this label option, select the required printer option. Okay, पेज प्रिंटर्स, जो भी हम प्रिंटर इंफॉर्मेशन कॉन्टिन्यूस फीडबैक प्रिंटर या 1 by 1 करके पेज प्रिंट करेगा. लेबल इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन स्पेसिफाई फ्रॉम हेयर. आफ्टर दैट फाइंड द अपडेट प्रोडक्ट नंबर्स, दैट इज फ्रॉम द कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग सेक्शंस इन द लेबल ऑप्शन डायलॉग बॉक्स. इट मीन्स कि आप एक पेज पर कितने लेबल्स, कितने एड्रेसेस शो करना चाहते हैं, देन यू कैन कट दीज एड्रेसेस ऑन द वन पेज. For example, you have taken for A4 sheet and you have written the 4 addresses on A4 sheet. Then you will cut these 4 addresses and paste on your envelope. So I am using the 30 per page. There is option and I am using I am using this label 30 per page. It depends upon your records also, but I am using this 30 per page. Then you have to click on this OK button. Okay. Now you have to move to the next step by clicking on this next select recipient. At the bottom of this mail merge pane, you can see step 2 of the 6, that is next select recipients. You have to click on this. As you will click on this, then at the then on the upper part you can see that you have to select the recipient. Use an existing list, select from Outlook contacts and the type a new list. We have already made a list, then we are using use an existing list. Our list ka, and then we have to browse this list. Click on this browse button. Whenever you will click on this browse button, you can see one dialog box is open, that is the select data source. I saved that file in this libraries under documents and libraries documents, and that name was address. Click. This was, then it will open the mail merge recipient. You can see I have made this address list in my previous video. That was, its name was address. It is a data source and data source extension is MDB, like this. We have used 4 main fields, that is name, city, state, Haryana, and we have entered the 3 records under these data fields, that were Raju, Rahul, Shreya, city Sirsa, state this, and address this. Okay, data source we are using address.mdb. After mail merge recipients, you have to click on this. Okay. As you will click on this, then you can see on one page, you can see many records that it is showing. That is, it is showing next record, and we have used the labels, that is the 30 per page. एक पेज पर ये कितने labels आ गए होंगे? 30 labels. Clear? Here are the 30 labels on this page. Now inserting the address block. To insert the address block, you have to follow these steps. Now you will place the cursor where you want to insert the address block. For example, here I have placed my cursor and I want to insert the address block here. Then we will do the third step. Here at the right hand side of the pane, you can see at the bottom of this pane there is the third step, that is next arrange your labels. Arrange your labels. As I click on the arrange your labels, then you can see to add the recipient information, there is many location, address block, greeting lines. So I am using the address block. Click on this address block. As you will click on this, then the insert address block dialog box is appeared here. Here is given insert recipient names in this format. There are these formats and you can use your desired format. In all the other block, following the next record entry in your block. आप इसमें से कोई भी select कर सकते हैं. Now you can see here it is showing address block and all others, and the rest part of the page is filled with next record. In where we have used the address block, here it is using the address block. Similarly, we can use the other option for the greeting line, electronic postage from here also. Now this is your address block, and here is the next record, next record, next record. Now I can fill the required items in this first block. This is my first block. In this I am updating here. I am inserting my all the fields, like from here insert merge field, click on the name, एंड अगर मुझे एड्रेस चाहिए तो सिर्फ एड्रेस या सिटी या एंडी एड्रेस and then I'm only writing here name and address. After doing this, you will go on this right side pane, and then you will click on this replicate labels, update all the labels. When you will click on this update all the labels, you can see in the next record address blocks में क्या आ गया, name and addresses. You can see in all the next block records with the address block, and after that I have inserted the two fields, that is name and address from here. Now after this you will move to the step 4, that is next step, that is 4, that is preview your labels. You will click on this preview your labels. As I click on preview my labels, you can see the changes on the screen. I was having only 3 records in my data source, and you can see the 3 records, all the data about the name and then their address is showing here. This Raju, Rahul, Shreya, it is showing here. Now you can cut in this pieces, in the rectangular pieces, and you can paste on your envelope. This is if you want to change something, then you can go here, edit recipient list, and you can change in it. If you don't want to change it, you want as it is your labels and you want to print off this page, then click on this complete the merge, that is step number 5. I have click on this complete the merge. Then you have to click on this print option. Whenever you will click on this print option, you can see there a dialog box is appeared, that is merge to printer dialog box. In the merge to printer dialog box, now you will select all. करंट रिकॉर्ड नहीं, हमें सभी का रिकॉर्ड चाहिए, या फ्रॉम 7th रिकॉर्ड टू 9th रिकॉर्ड तक आपको सिर्फ उन्हीं का नेम चाहिए एनवेलप पे, तो 7 to 9 कर दो. सभी का चाहिए तो सभी का कर दो. करंट रिकॉर्ड चाहिए तो करंट, यू कैन सेलेक्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. नाउ आई हैव सेलेक्टेड ऑल, देन क्लिक ऑन ओके. Now you can see this print dialog box appeared here. अपनी print, you will do the print settings, and then you have to click on this OK. Then all the selected labels will be printed on a single page. Now you can take the printout of this page, and after taking the printout, you will cut all the addresses like this, like this. You will cut all the addresses from here to here in a rectangular, here to here in a rectangle, here to here in a rectangle. So that you will have the 3 labels, and you can use this label to paste the addresses on the envelope of the envelope of the persons to whom you are sending your letters. So in mail merge we have used 2 things. When you are using the mail merge, first you need a main document where you are writing the lines, main document that you want to send to all your friends. Second thing, you have to create a data source. Data source is a table, it is just like a table in which you will store all the records to whom you want, all the records of the person to whom you want to send your letter. For example, in letter I need a name of that person, I need an address, and I need a city. Then so I have made the table of with these three fields. After setting these fields, you will have to merge your document with your data source. That we have done in my yesterday's video, and today I have told you how you can create a labels for the envelopes. The labels is used as a addresses that you will paste on the envelope to send your letter to your friends. The main motive of using these labels is you will write that this facility will print all the addresses on a page, and you will cut down these labels and you can paste and you can use it another with on the another you can paste these labels on each and every envelope to send the letter to your friends. So this is a time consuming process, which whenever you want to send the same letter to many friends, but with the feature of the Microsoft Word, that is mail merge, you can take the print of the labels, and plus you can send the same document to the many other friends. You need not to write down that documents again and again. So I think with my these two videos, your mail merge topic is clear to you. Now please do the practical of these topics. It is necessary for you, otherwise it will be very difficult for you to understand these topics. After some time, when you will not do the practical, then it is very difficult for you, and you can attempt your question answer easily if you have done the practical portion, because your computer is total practical. With doing the practical, you can understand the theoretical questions and you can write down these questions by yourself also. So please do the practice of your practicals. That will be more beneficial for you, because you need not to do the cramming you need not to do the cramming for this paper. Just understand and do the practical. After doing the practice, it will be very easy for you. ओके, टिल देन मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.